Gear up.
A little bit down.
Have you seen these off a little, you think?
Oh, shit. Yeah,
the
canopy went off.
Bring her in slow. Keep it, I mean, not too slow.
Time remaining 2 minutes, 12 seconds.
That sucks.
Don't blow that canopy off out there.
No? Wow. At least we got shorter grass now if you have to go after.
Gear down.
Yeah, that just sucks that that had to happen. All right, it wants to come off though. I got it.
What is it?
So that's why it jumped up, because it turned into a big old
Yeah,
air spoiler.
0. 50%.
Hold up.
Easy.
Oh, shit. Ah.
Gear up.
See?
That's perfect.
That's
a
a
little bit
climb.
more, huh?
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of.
Nice. Because it's easy to make the plane look.
That's
50%. 50%.
Coming up on the side. Keep clear.
that the wheel need.
8, 7, 0.
And we sit to the right. See it?
Frames 526. 25%. Gear up. %. 50%. $25 for 50%.
I got
0.
Alright.
25 to 50%.
I'm out good enough.
20 to 50%.
Hey, wait a minute. Check my landing gear.
Yep. We're green.
25%. 0. Twenty, 10, 9, 8, 0.
Donnie, I'm going to take off.
Go for it.
That's your right.
Engaged.
Figure out the full span.
25%. 50%.
That's takeoff flat.
50.
Oh yeah, it looks gorgeous on approach.
25%. 0.
A little hard. Ah. It's favoring the right.
0. 25%. 50%. Gear up.
Just nose in.
Timer expired. 50. 0.
Well, that's one of the more forgiving trainers.
Oh
0.
yeah, that's better. Got that.
25%. 25%.
I think they're
Zero.
298 or 299.
299.
299.
12 bucks.
Yeah, that
Well, mine's was $12.